I just want to thank Abonim for, can everyone hear me? Thank Abonim for inviting me to this panel and to congratulate them on this initiative to promote and highlight the challenges of achieving a two-state solution and what the diaspora can do to assist this process. The two-state solution, two states for two peoples, is the unreserved and unequivocal policies of the umbrella organizations of South African Jewry, both the South African Zionist Federation and the South African Jewish Board of Deputies. And it's in that capacity that we endorse what is being promoted tonight. While certain of my opinions in this in the speech are my own, the broad achievement of peace in the Middle East through this two-state solution is very much the policy of the organization that I represent. Almost on a